Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to install a Rugged Ridge Armis hard folding cover on your 2020 or newer Jeep Gladiator. Now, if you want to get more information about this bed cover or one of the other bed covers from Rugged Ridge available for the Gladiator, you can click our info button to watch the buyer's guide we put together showcasing each of the 4 of the Armis bed covers. So why don't we go ahead and get started. So we go ahead and unpack the box. We're going to have 3 major components. We've got the hard tri-fold tonneau assembly. We've also got 2 bed rail caps that are going to come pre-assembled. We've got one for the passenger side and one for the driver's side. We've got some foam tape. We've got a pair of drain tubes we're going to be installing. We've got all the hardware needed to install everything, as well as a pair of clamps that are going to secure the tonneau cover to the bed rail assemblies. You are going to need some tools to get this installed. We're going to need a utility knife, a 10mm socket, a 13mm socket, an extension and a socket wrench, and then we're also going to need a drill and a 5/8" drill bit. Now I'm actually going to be using a smaller 1/4" drill bit and then a step bit to work up to that larger 5/8" hole. Now, the first step we need to do before we can begin installing any components is we need to trim out this small portion of the plastic bed rail cap that's stamped from the factory. We've got a couple factory mounting locations in the metal bed rail that are underneath of here. So to do that, we can grab our utility knife. Now this definitely helps to have a fresh, sharp blade in here, and simply run your blade in the pre-indicated section a couple times, and it should be pretty easy to go ahead and just snap that right out after we score it a few times. And once we get this out on the one side, we can go and do the same thing on the other side. Now with both plastic caps trimmed out, next we can go ahead and install the bulkhead filler seal on the top edge of the Gladiator bed here up against the body. Now this seal needs to be installed centered from front to back on the top edge of the bed here, and we need to make sure that it runs all the way across, touching the plastic cap on both sides of the bed to ensure that we get a good weather-tight seal. Now one thing to be aware of here, that the front edge of our bed actually has a curve in it to match the back of the body of our Gladiator. So when you center up this seal, it's best to kind of start in the center here to get a good idea of where the center is and then run it out. You should have some extra in here, so start at one side and then trim it when you get to the other. Now while we still have easy access to the bulkhead area of the Gladiator's bed, we're going to go ahead and drill the holes for our drain tubes that we'll be installing a little bit later on. So we're going to be using a smaller 1/4" bit to get started, and then I'm going to use a step bit to work up to the 5/8" hole. Now a great place to drill these holes in the Gladiator bed happens to be these rubber plugs that are installed from the factory. Now if your Jeep did not come with a bed liner sprayed in from the factory, it's going to be really easy to identify these 2 black plastic plugs, one on the driver and one on the passenger side in the bed. However, if your Jeep came with a bed liner sprayed in it like this one, well, it's still pretty easy to identify where these plastic plugs are. And the nice thing about drilling in through these is we're not going to worry about inducing any type of corrosion into the bed because we're simply drilling into plastic. So we're going to go ahead and get started with that smaller bit, and then we'll work our way up to that 5/8" hole with the step bit. Now with our drain hoses installed in the bulkhead, it's time to go ahead and grab the rail assemblies that we'll install on the bed sides. Now if we take a look at the front of one of the rail assemblies, we'll see we've got a locating tab and a bolt hole. That locating tab will fit right into the hole from the factory in the bulkhead, and then the bolt will thread into the factory threads found in the lower hole. If we place the rail on top of the bed side, we'll see we've also got a bracket that's pre-installed that's going to line up with the factory mounting location that we revealed when we removed the plastic from the bed cap. So we can go ahead and flip the rail assembly over. Start by aligning that tab, slide the rail forward, and then we can secure it at the front with a 13mm bolt and secure it at the rear with 2 10mm bolts. With both rails installed, the last step here is to go ahead and install our drain hoses on the hose barb on the underside of the channel by simply pushing it on. Now before we set the tonneau up on the bed sides, we do have to install the clamps on the underside. Open up the tonneau cover, and on the small flap that's going to be all the way at the front of the bed, we need to loosen up the thumb screws to give us some room on the bottom side of the bolt. And you'll simply slip this carriage bolt at a 45-degree angle right here into the channel. Do the same with the other clamp. Now we can go ahead and set the entire tonneau cover assembly up onto the bed sides, positioning the front smallest flap over top of the front bulkhead. Then we can unfold each section of the tonneau back to the fully closed position. At this point, we can make some adjustments by pulling on the tonneau to square it up with the bed. You want to close the tailgate and ensure that the tailgate is lining up square with the tonneau cover as well. Once you're happy with that, we can go ahead and fold the tonneau back into the open position. Now we go ahead and pull the cable to lift the last section of panels into the vertical position, and we can support it in place with one of the prop rods. It simply snaps onto the stud that's installed on the bottom side of the tonneau here. Now this will allow us to get access to the clamps that we installed previously on the bottom side of the front panel of the tonneau cover. We're simply going to slide them outward, and we're going to secure them to the underside of these rails that we installed on top of the bed sides. Simply slide it into place, and then tighten down the thumb screw. Now the last step is to go ahead and close the tonneau cover and shut the tailgate and ensure that nothing moved while you were tightening those clamps. Once you're happy with the fitment, that completes the installation of your new Rugged Ridge Armis hard folding cover for your 2020 or newer Jeep Gladiator. If you want to purchase one for your truck, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about how to get your new tonneau cover installed on your Gladiator, you can always leave those for us in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And you'll definitely want to hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest product installation videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.